So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Janvi, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe please. But yeah, so I have tests tomorrow, and tests are just they're like normal tests. So I don't know why I'm making such a big deal out of it. I know it's just like 20 marks test. I can just give it. I have done it so many times, but as an anxious person, it's just taking a toll on me, and it feels like I am not that capable. I am not capable of doing good in test. Though I know the basics, but I'm just so crazily anxious right now that I am not able to, trying. I am not able to study anymore, and I'm just very anxious regarding this. I don't know. I'm just letting you all know that I am anxious. That's it. Okay, just know that I'm anxious, and I will update you guys tomorrow about this anxiousness. Let me update you what I have studied. So I was doing PMJ. So I was doing temporomandibular joint, and it took me like 1.5 hours to do that only. And I don't know, it's just so. Why am I posting this on the channel? The reason is that I want to put everything on this channel. The reason is that I want to improve. I want to improve in my academics. I want to improve in my daily life. I want to improve a lot, like in a lot of things. And to do that, I think I have to put myself forward before you guys. So I can, document this journey with you all, and I will be able to, kind of move on from the worst phase to the good phase with you guys. I think this is awesome, and I'm kind of enjoying the process of documenting actually, because it is just so therapeutic. I don't have to think much before talking about anything. I just post whatever comes in my mind. So yeah, I will meet you guys tomorrow after the test. टेस्ट कर दिया गाइस मैंने. आई डोंट नो मैं इतनी परेशान क्यों हो रही थी, लेकिन आई डिड इट. आई वोंट से इट वाज द बेस्ट, बट it was decent, it was average, and I will talk about the averageism when I get to home. तब तक के लिए bye. So now I'm back home, and I need to tell you guys a lot of things. First of all, the test went well, okay? So the morning was a bit tough because I was so anxious, and I just could not think of going to give the test. But somehow after one test, I just managed it, and my friend called me and told me it's just about attendance, just come and give whatever you have. So I just went and did it. It went average. It was not like on that level as I was expecting, and it was not bad. So it was in the middle, and that is my problem. You may ask, like, why, Janvi? Why is that a problem? Your test went decent. It was like average. You will not fail it. But being average, being mediocre is my problem. Like, I'm not best but I'm not bad. And I just lie there like this. I'm just hanging. So that is my concern, and I truly want to work on that. I'm just so tired of being an average. I know I'm not an average, and I can do better, and I can actually make so much out of my potential, but I'm just not able to do it because of my, because I'm just so anxious all the time, and the anxiety just takes so much toll on me, and it just affects me. Toll on me is just my word, because everything takes a toll on me. So yeah, being an average sucks. It actually sucks, because whatever it is, you just cannot be that person in any type of any part of the department. Like, you are not best at studying, you are not best at dancing, you are not best at singing, you are just there, you just there. And it just hurts my ego so much, because I know I can do better than that, but I'm just not able to, because I have made my mind so conscious about literally everything, that a 20 marks test is affecting me. It's affecting me so much that I'm not able to, perform well. I know things, but I'm not able to write it, and no one will know this. No one can actually understand this until they face it. And to be honest, I do not want anyone to face the mediocreness, because it is just not good. It just doesn't feel good, and I also don't feel good today. Though test went like average, but I was just so scared. I thought I would not be able to write anything, but I did anyway. And yeah, so it was not that bad, but it was not that good, and that's where the problem lies. I don't know how I will overcome it. I'm just planning out things and trying out things, like different things, to make improvements, and let's see what happens next. uh, I hope you like the video. I know it's not interesting one, but I did it anyway. It was actually for me. This channel that I created is for me. I'm just documenting my journey, and if anyone feels connected, or if anyone feels that, oh, this is me, or oh my god, this is just something I can relate to. So yeah, I made this piece for you and me. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet again. Bye.
Swim, swim, waterfall off your skin. Swim, swim, I could spend a lifetime watching you swim, swim.